Ka National People's Party hene ka sengi kala rakhe ka jingdap khat laisnem jong ka jingseng ya ka ne ka party baru ya ka sengi kha ba nyopu prasnem jong unong seng ulet purno e sangma lasdang ya ka ne ka sengi da ka jik penher ka lama ha office tray kam jo ka seng da ki arngut kid khot barim tam bat ke badairu kid khot ki ba seng ya ka ne ka party kata oba babet ke sangma badu ba jiet kurba Habagren hagni kesngi nagaliang uba bajab pengrop working president jok NPYF ulaong ngimla banlen ba ulet PA sangma udai nongelam ubala paubha amtang ha kejela jongi henrei la itulo dia u habaro kawai kari India nagaliang uba babet ke sangma nongelam ubala rimtam bat uba deiru udkhot uba donlang ban seng ya ke NPP ulaong PA sangma udai nongelam uba start bat uba traisitom naga benta ka baha kamiat jong kiriulum ulai yuturu ba kumba kisdang ya ka seng NPP haus nem arajar khatar ha ka ba unongelam jongki upi sangma ulakot ya kijingelang ya kinongelam bat shim ya karai ban sedang ya ka seng ka bathamai ka ba ki ai gerteng ka National People's Party bat nadu bala sedang ke la tresitom ban penklain bat ke layo ru ya kinongelam ha ki weipat ki jela kum Manipur Arunachal Nagaland bat kum juru hakikato kani ki benta jong kari kata kiba kiriulum kidon hagni kesngi la yoru ya kejingkren nau ba kit borlang nongrem bat nau ba emha simli kibadai kinongelam joka seng bat kejing ai kublai nau president joka NPP Shillong City uba Manroy Kharpuri
pengidang ki senior members ki balaju trai kamlang bat edit PA sangma kene sengi ke pemerintah kene party office yongi ngadu i ba babet ki sangma i badan rengkat len ba jit ki badan rengkat len bat kumju ya barok ki nongkit kam jong ke party nadu jong ke state secretaries ki NPYF ki NPWF ki badan rengkat len bat barok ki members ki pelawan na ki block na ki DCC beper ni dap rajin kemen habang ya rakhi ya kene ka foundation day bat ya ka birth anniversary hawa nginum la panlen ba ulit PA sangma udai uta u tol leader om tang jong ke jela ka bi ke jong ni henrei udai leader uba lai thu lut barok koi ka ri India ni barok koi bat churu udai leader uba latre khamtam namanta kirit pat ki tribals hapo kane ka North East India khamtam bat udai weiru ba haki speeches ki jong u dengi pet parliament ujung ni joi ba ya ka e ka ba u fight ba khamtam haba ki kristan shale ben henrai u fight namanta ki nyam ba kinlong equal kumba ngitip bagi em hapo ke demokrasi kumta u fight u raise ya ka voice ko jong u but they nakata-kadaw ha ka jingalam nemti jong isa liet pi sangma ka party NPP kalayo ban long kata ka national party ka badai ka the only party na po North East India ka bandai kata ka national party ni dap la jing kemen haba ni dio ya ka government ka bandit ka party NPP hapo kani ka jela Meghalaya ka jongi pat kumju ni dap la jing kemen ba kani ka party kala nang sothiet sakibai pat ki jela ro hapo North East India pat kumju ro hapo mainland India ro hidan ki jaka di bangi dan ya ki members jong kani ka party ni dap la jing kemen ba ka party ka ba ni don ka National People's Party ngila yo nong seng opala i ba hapo ka Shakri pat ba ha ka ba ulaju long teng ru kum u chief minister jong ka jela ka jong i house nam khakhnai spa prapupra bat kum ta terter ulalong ru kum u speaker jong ka lok sabha ha ka ba na ki tribal na try ka dei ka record ha ki por ki ba ni yo kum u speaker jong lok sabha bat kum juru kum union minister na ka banta ka information and broadcasting ministry bat kum juru ya ka coal ministry dengan simbon ya ka por ndai ngapan pau sin ya ka jing ai ku blaya barok ki blaya wan banya dan ringkat
presidential contest mo ila ya kata de nado tipor ki NCP tak kentai ya nomor ba Sharad Pawar iba don rangkat bat PS sama itu baru apalagi no IP sama pasuk nama bagi sap ia sapat di Kongres report pak yang presiden election kumta iberkat tamai kumno banyak banyak sedang kot ketua lagi member baton hari kumbaju keren mga unsur kumbaka larungut kat saungut don auto kapor ke member baru kawe state kot lum tinggal apa rupsi mangalo bata AI kasaga tingkemupan menggela dalam parti YOI Bapangka National People's Party Tungin ya Saint Maino National People's Party Tepia Smogumno Kali Vingrai Loki ay Pepa Akating sisa la it was at 11th hour for next general election. My opinion was let us stick to NPP, contest and all this karma job the MLA minsakala whatever party we want to change. That my idea was, but majority opinion was that we should change the party and then National People's Party was created and registration was done. Yeah. And from that onward, he worked hard to expand the party, beginning from Manipur. Manipur, we got 5, I think, members at that time. And also Arunachal. Arunachal, I think we got 3 members at that time. Like that. And Assam also we tried, but Assam, because of these aims and objectives of tribal ideology, Assam was a bit difficult to penetrate among the people. While NCP, we have a base, very strong base in Assam. But when we changed to NPP, it was till today, we were not able to hold any foothold in Assam. Like that. Anyway, that is one part of history of our party's beginning. Yeah. And then with work hard work and his wisdom, his vast knowledge, he was able to enlist support from many, except Mizoram. Mizoram is hard not to crack. Mizoram also. But Arunachal and Nagaland and Manipur, we were able to penetrate and win many leaders from there. Till today, we have leaders from there that we have. Now, on P.S. Sharma's life story, I just want to hear his wisdom, his knowledge about geopolitics, not only Meghalaya state or Northeast, his geopolitical knowledge, how things will come, how things will happen. I don't know if some of you have listened to his speech, parliament speech, on the occasion of that Pokhran test, no? Pokhran test, 1998. Pokhran test. After that, America sanctioned India, and there was a serious parliament session discussed on the subject. The way PSM, technical, economy, science, politics, everything. If you have the chance, please get this speech of his in parliament that day, and listen to him. How vast his knowledge, how vast his understanding of the politics, economy, science, technology, you will come to know about him. And one basic, his idea is from beginning that we tribal should develop. Development will come only when we are united. We must unite. That was his aim always. And always visited these tribal areas in Northeast to enlist their support, to enlist their help in uniting here. But it was so difficult. We were not, till today, we were not able to be united to that extent that we need to unite so that we can fight our own cause for our own welfare, for our own safety. Yeah, still, he had done a few things, few formidable things, like formation of Northeast Leaders Forum. He was still in Congress that time. Northeast Leaders Forum. Like all tribal leaders, they have membership and they have the meetings and discuss their interests, how to go to Delhi and tackle or bring benefit for our people through this forum. That is the beginning of PA. It's one of the very interesting idea was I have previously spoke on that subject, that Northeast should be formed among the tribals as European Union, the state and separate tribal district. We have here in Meghalaya, Garos, Khasis and Jaintia. We will have 3 different units from there. Nagas have many units, they will come every year. But we will form something like European Union and have a sort of parliament or assembly elected from among that members. And we will work for our development, our future plan. That dream, that idea was there. But he could not bring it to fruition. Anyway, there are so many ideas we get. But during his own lifetime, he died very young, 68. I was much elder to him. Now he's 78. I'm 86. So I was, yes. But I used to marvel his wisdom, his knowledge, and his talent to have all this idea to bring to the table. All the talent he has.
keren mama natuk kapor ke ulong MP Banangkong kat kanai Spanyol punya mama but kajinya fight tu kumno ban kiu yang ikit tribal haka hat kendai spa kendai pusam ulayo ban union minister ban Nengkong nak dari tribal kata ka di Banangkong mama hadin kata kembali keren marok bot how 96 yo ban speaker ban Nengkong jong kaluk subhana deng tribal hapo jong kari India arjar khatar ia kun nak entar ban penti siya kapatay ba balay bangi kinot yeso ngimla ban syong hat tak syuti iba halordo jo kari India dan kapu ia kun ya ka election president to wala daw job ro dan ray kani kam nasib ka ba krautam na entar ki pai jong kanot yes ba kam tam jong ka jalan kaya Tika kubor ke bangga kuat ban ong nak entar ini ki dekot jong ke yeng jong ke NPP hasil long tu nginput ia kan nuksa jong wat hapdeng ka jinglong kena nong gendong kumba kitu barok balakai kasnong capa hati mus napo Wesker Hill hilapan mudur kita ki post nem kiba mensua agar hill tak lo ka jing sakdin andrei nak kebukum kata Krishna kukiu hatu pakitat ke halordo jauh kari dia bagai kemau hakapor wingale ia ka election president ka minister Susan Swaraj ka ay ngaway ka press release ko PA sama is the tall leader of the country and the tallest leader of the Northeast India so ketika ay inspiration yang aku way na leader sa party bang ngilong kumne kumangilong ru day bang persyang bang bot ya kan legacy is footstep ka bang ni pek ni kme ni pule ya ka kot ka bang po bang kumjuru ya kini ki video iba ni ya pek menta ya ka bang Ukraine hati menta ba fair kan jo India bang kumjuru hapo parliament tinggal
Hagas na pahajar lai berbain kalau berpor mereka dia juga itu suka seng dia juga kedua klam kalau yom, but nampak bangga logo kau juga itu su, panggilai dan bentaran dan seng dia juga klam, dia katakan aku mereka common platform dalam kata kerja dia ajar lai, kalau mau plan mau sepuluh konstitusi. But nampak bangga kerana suara dan juga klam kalau aja kerana berpor nampak support bukan dia but nampak bangga dengan kesu kerana kalau berpor dah jadi semua dom jika semua bitaran nampak semua idri pala, semua ijat berdiri tempat kuno banyak daya dan macam berdiri mau kerana perlu tek dan kerana sejak dia. But nak binatang kerana kerja kerana kita bapak lah aku be nampak bangga dia kerana berkemak aku be. But hari nanti nak kerma asal purno sama uwan wai kublai na. Bat nampak Bangladesh kapal itu juga keren. Bat hawa nasna. Nak kerma bahawa ini kedian uang nasu tenang nasu keman yang tu kena menjauh bakran wala 600 tu kasih dari belum malah kini keparat dia tu bagi ya ke jengkran cukup sama. Uang itu lah di kejengdom jumpu sama. Udam namar bongwe jadi sak menreu. Ban hawa namar bakat kakham ke jok parti ke jongi bakat kakham ke jo nanjin lekaman ban khan tu sama ban join bakat parti ke jongi namar kakham ke jo namar ke parti jongi kala kham lo kham sakma. Kini ke jengkran jong usaha perlu sama. Ya kitu ki badam ki pitar lada keren yendo Kipuni yang tu kejengdam pan pelpai kelar kiki kejoki, Ray ki khot semua ban, yang ngai tenang, ya kejengdam kejengpitar, ya kemen budam bat pitar nam tak ajak bil makan jalan sini, wong khot yu tu sabla banyak Thailand. Mentah, lada fikiran percaya ki wei pat, na thlai hati kan ka khmat namar ka khmat ka kebanyak namar kebanyak. Mentah, hari ni ka juk ka mentah, nganum kro yang doru, hari ni ka juk mentah ada fiang. Ba tu kilong kompa kami umpai kerja pilong tenak mau sepedo sama ani kawannya pi lan fikiran cikin tin ke kwe pi sispa ke kata dia kan ba ka ba pada hak po tu jino khana ngo dan ke hak po tu jino khana ni puli ya kikot cukup nong elam juga hey Abraham nengkon Roosevelt nata minyo yang tiba parti nong elam hadin pada so George Washington nata hadin telah hel asamlah apa na yo berkentam kunta terter hari ni kepercayaan pemerintah ni itu Obama ke bodoh ni itu Putin ke bodoh jadi nong elam juga hey start sepan parti orang jadi hari ni dia ngitip harapan yang kena ke Indira Gandhi, ngitip Manmohan Singh, ngitip Rajiv Gandhi, ngitip Vajpayee, dah terter. Banyak yang nong gelam. Nong ke Bangladesh nak jalan ke Jumi, ke Bangladesh ke Ipat ke jalan, kita nong gelam juga ke India. Mana bagi pai pak cengli ke jalan ke Jumi, kita yosar perluasan lah. Ngiro yo Rajiv Gandhi, ngiro Indira Gandhi, ngiro Manmohan Singh. But niyo iya kerja lagi cuma hal kita baca Israel hadir pada waktu selesai perang sama. Ladang kroy pada waktu Abraham Lincoln Amerika Putin membuat Obama kata nanti pada di yakini kita empat Rajiv Gandhi hadir. Ladang orang usah perang sama nak kerja lagi kerja. Balai dah kita mengerak dan diurut. Balai nak kerja lagi cuma ini. Hendak don pada teh ladang mengerak kita ada kita ki keluar pan ngerak kita yang ada di kelas. Ada pada kimi ada jalan cumi ada kadai kan di yang pada kesan pada roh pada itu tetap. Kalau hadu kalau bangai ini pada itu misal perlu sama kita kena melakukan perlu sama hakapor kulis juga dengan sense of humor. Beri apa? Nak repeat hakapor bopenya kulis juga yang ada repeat contoh bopon di parti bopera. Baru laru kumno ban penbet penbiang hakapor hadu di bopon kibai semua ada repeat. Senap yang ke bawah pun pada bopenya yang ke session apa parlimen ke. Ni dokumen apa sih kata speaker. Ni dokumen dah ikut yang presiden. Pasal jing ikut kita jing ikut yang presiden. Walau suatu pun mula apa sih kau mereka kuno bah kibai parti itu yang ke cak beliau yang ke jelas jadi hantam dia kini riulo kecumi. Saya kini kan cakap dalam ini kepada tem ken malu, bagi kekatan juga ni kesetiap, jom ini kita cakap dalam ini.